If you as a parent are considering relocating with your child, before you go to court, one of the things that you want to consider and you really want to think hard about is how, as the relocating parent, are you going to facilitate your child's relationship with the other parent once you relocate? Whether that is through extended time during school breaks, whether that is through phone calls, video calls, how is that going to take place? If you're relocating across the country or quite a distance away, how is the child going to get back and forth? If the child isn't of an age where it's appropriate for the child to travel unaccompanied, then who's going to travel back and forth with the child? Who's going to pay for the transportation costs? There's a number of considerations that not only the court has to think about when making a ruling, but the parents really need to have those things thought out and a plan in place before they propose a relocation or before they go to court trying to seek a relocation. Having a relocation case, we're assuming here that you already have a custody agreement or a custody order in place. You, as the parent who's wanting to move, it is your burden and your responsibility to have that terms of the custody agreement and the terms of the custody order changed if you are not able to operate under that agreement or that order. So for example, if you're alternating custody with the other parent, where you have custody one week, the other parent has custody the following week, and alternating each week, then how is that going to work? It likely will not be feasible to continue in that schedule. So now you have to have a new schedule in place. If you just move without having the custody agreement or custody order modified and take the children, then you could be in violation of the terms of that agreement and that custody order. So you either need to get the other parent's agreement or you need to get permission from the court. And if a parent is objecting to the relocation, you will have to go through the court in order to get the court's permission to relocate.